Hi there, and welcome to this little bit different video on my channel. There was something on my lens. Hi, if you're new here, my name is Irene and this is the Sugaridoo channel, and normally I make videos with quilty projects, but today is just a update video because there's a lot going on over here in the Sugaridoo studio and with the Sugaridoo Merino quilt along. So I just wanted to take a moment to give you an update on everything that's happening. So the 28th of November, the Sugaridoo Merino quilt along is going to start, and a crazy amount of quilters signed up. That's awesome. I still am a bit in shock that so many of you are enthusiastic about this project, and I really can't wait to get started. So that is awesome. But that also meant that a lot of you ordered kits for the quilt along, and we are making, I say we because there's a lot of people who are helping me, are making kits, and a lot of kits have been made, but some of the fabric was out of stock at my wholesale, so I'm messaging back and forth to keep up keep getting updates on when that is coming in. So tomorrow new shipment will arrive. Tomorrow? No, that's actually today. And next week, and then all the fabric should be in. So I've decided that everybody will get a track and trace. Even if you've ordered your kit without a tracking number, I will give you a tracking number as soon as it's shipped, and I'm going to make sure that everyone has their kit before the 28th of November. So I'm first shipping out to all the countries with a longer shipping time. And that way I can assure everyone that your kit will be in on time. For a few kits, that will mean that you will get the fabrics for the first 3 rows first. So you will get a smaller package, some of you will, so that at least you can start, and as soon as I have the rest of the fabric in, you will get the rest of your kit. But that way I am sure that you will have your fabric on time and that you can start with the rest of us. But that's only for a small amount of people. So yeah, I guess it's going quite smoothly, even though the small hiccup with so many fabric kits ordered that the fabric wasn't in stock anymore at my wholesale. But besides that, I guess everything is going pretty smoothly, and it's just all very exciting. The next thing that is coming up is a big craft fair. It's the biggest craft fair in the Netherlands. It's called Sugaridoo, and next week I will be there for 5 days. So if you live in the Netherlands, come say hi. I would love that. Yeah, that's quite a big event as well. So that's just coming in between making all the quilting kits. So that is why I decided that I'm not going to make quilting videos these days. So the next video on my channel will be up on the 14th of November. Then there will be a new video about a very fun project where I'm going to use a paper piecing block or any quilting block and turn it into a tote bag. That is a very fun project for any loose blocks, orphan blocks that you have lying around. So yeah, then I'm going to be making a tote bag with that. But that's the 14th of November, so the next few weeks there won't be a video. I'm sorry, and only this week there's this update. There's just not enough time, so that's the reason. But for those of you who've been messaging me, because last week there wasn't a video either, everybody who sent me messages, thank you very much, but everything is going well. I'm doing great. Everything is alright with our family. Nothing dramatic is going on. We're just having a lot of fun fabric cutting in the studio. So thank you so much for all your support, for your patience, and maybe I will see you at the Sugaridoo in Utrecht and if not, then I will see you on the 14th of November with a video, and on the 28th of November when we will start the quilt along. If you do have any questions, urgent questions about your quilt kit, like somebody from Finland let me know that there was going to be a strike in their posting system. If you have anything major like that, please do send me an email so I can make sure that everything goes smoothly, and that we can figure out a way to get your shipment in time. So that's it for this video for the next few weeks, and I will see you again very soon. Bye bye!